Welcome to Dhaatrisolutions. Today I came with a new project called Sports Team Management. Firstly, I want to introduce the project description which gives a clear perspective of this project. This is our website. In our project website, manage sports teams where the people can join in sports teams, participants in the game and win. In this project, we have three modules: admin, manager and participant. I just want to show the flowchart which gives a clear understanding. This is a flowchart. Here, admin can log in into website their predefined login credentials like email and password. The manager will register by giving their details and log in into the website. Admin can view the managers and verify the managers. The admin can add the hosted games and view the hosted games. The manager also view the hosted games and he add the teams and view the teams. The admin also view the teams. The participant can register their details and log in into the website. The participant can view the upcoming games by clicking on the search button. The participant can view the teams and click the button to send the enrollment request to the manager. The manager will accept or reject the enrollment request by the participant. Then the participant can drop from the team. He can drop that by clicking on the cancel the enrollment request. The participant can participate with payment in the game. The manager will announce the result and the participant can view the result by clicking on the view participant history. The admin also view the game results. This is our website. In this website, admin can log in into the website by entering the email and password. Click the submit button. This is the home page of the admin. Next, the manager will register into the website by giving their details, name and email, phone number, by giving password and address, and click the register button. Register successfully. Then we go into the admin page. Here, admin can view the managers who are logging into the website. And admin can also verify the managers. Click the verify button, they verified. And admin can view and add the hosted games. We click the host game. We assign the manager and choose the game, badminton, and game venue, giving the address of the venue. Price for the participation. Next, game start time you will be given. in time of the game, size of the team members to write about game. Badminton. Yes. Game hosted successfully, and admin can view the hosted game. Here, this is the hosted game. Then manager will also view the hosted game. Log in into the manager and give in the password and click the login button. This is the home page of the manager. By clicking on the view hosted games, we can view the hosted games, and the manager will add the team by clicking on the add button and giving the team name. Click the submit button. The team was added. Next, the participant will register into the website by giving the details. We enter the details. And email address, phone number, password, and gender. Click the register button. Register successfully. Then participant can log into the website by giving the register details, email and password. Click the login button. Here, this is a participant home page. In this home page, he can click the view upcoming events and he can view the upcoming events, and click the view teams. You can choose the teams and enroll button can click. You can send to the request to the manager. This is request sent. Then go to the manager, login, manager will view the teams by clicking on the view teams button and accept the request for participant or reject the participant. The status is will be changed, payment pending. Then log out and go to the participant. Login. Here participant can view the history in participation history. By clicking on this payment button, you can pay the amount for the participation. First, the card number should be exactly 16 numbers. The card name, and expiry date, CVV, and participant successfully. We have participants are 2 in the team, so we can add another participant. So we will go to registration and give the details, email, number, password, gender, and click the register button. You can register. Log into the register details. The participant can view the upcoming events and view the teams by clicking on the view teams button and send to the request to the manager by enrolling. The request was sent. Then the manager will log in. And view the teams and accept the participant. Here the status will be payment pending. So the participant can pay the participation fees. Into the participant, view history of participation, click the payment, here card number exactly 16 numbers, give the name on card, expiry date, CVV, total amount, and pay. Here payment successfully. Then the manager will announce the results. First, he choose the team name and click the winner button. He can declare the winner. The participant also view the history. In the history, he can choose the winner. And also, the admin also can choose the result, can see the results and can see the winner. Here this is all about our project. Thank you.